SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, which most certainly is genuinely critical. SLP basically faces opposition at $0.003, which certainly is genuinely huge. Smooth Love Elixir sort of is buy and buy esteemed at $0.003 backing for the bears, truly has been laid out at $0.003 19 July 2023. In this video, we will fundamentally walk you through Smooth Love Mixture cost examination for now or for the following week, and really attempt to answer this much of the time, truly get clarification on some pressing issues facts. What for the most part is somewhat transient cost expectation for truly Smooth Love Elixir, basically is SLP an excellent speculation, which in every practical sense, is genuinely critical. Smooth Love Mixture support and obstruction levels and so forth in an especially enormous manner. Yet, prior to plunging especially profound into the SLP specialized investigation, fundamentally let us basically discuss the ongoing economic situations, or so they in a real sense thought. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,198,816,136,743 in an unpretentious manner. The in every way that really matters, complete exchanging volume basically remains at $30,093,017,822 in a fundamentally significant manner. Bitcoin shares 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,837.66 level after a decay of 0.14%, which generally is very huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a cost increment of 0.15%, coming to $1,899.09 during the past 24 hours, or so they thought. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 80 cents following a value change of 5.65% inside a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. BNB, the genuinely local coin of BNB, explicitly is up by 0.18 and presently exchanging at $240.64 in a sort of enormous manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which basically is very huge. These occasions in a real sense show that the market in every way that really matters is going in an especially descending course for certainly present moment. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 0.15%, coming to $1,899.09 during the past 24 hours, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. As of now, an especially broad genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which for the most part is very huge. Smooth Love Elixir backing and opposition backing and obstruction fundamentally are significant specialized markers used to essentially distinguish truly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way. Support truly is a level at which purchasers generally become most certainly more genuinely dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in a huge manner. Similarly, obstruction essentially is a level at which vendors explicitly become move in every way that really matters, dynamic, and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of pretty Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, genuinely Smooth Love Elixir execution. The very day-to-day outline of essentially Smooth Love Mixture in a real sense shows that the SLP cost by and large has a very descending development, with a 1.18% diminishing in sort of beyond 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. The value worth of the very Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, coin truly is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars in an unpretentious manner. SLP cost changes 4.08% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume basically is floating around $10,395,115 United States dollars, showing how as of now, a genuinely broad essentially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they in every practical sense thought. Smooth Love Elixir Value Examination SLP Cost Investigation for 19 July 2023, Insight and in every practical sense, day-to-day time period for the most part, made sense of underneath, in a kind of large manner. We utilize sort of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal union and difference, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including essentially straightforward moving sort of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving certainly normal, EMA to by and large dissect the future development of the truly smooth love mixture, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 0.15%, coming to $1,899.09 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. The in every practical sense, relative strength record, RSI demonstrates that the SLP coin certainly is close oversold zone, as RSI explicitly is at 34, showing how following really are the help and opposition levels of truly smooth love elixir, SLP, especially smooth love mixture execution. The day-to-day graph of genuinely smooth love mixture in a real sense shows that the SLP cost generally has a kind of descending development, with a 1.18% decline in especially beyond 24 hours in a fundamentally huge manner. The MACD line sort of is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, especially further appearance. How SLP cost changes 4.08% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume really is drifting around $10,395,115 United States dollars, exhibiting how as of now, a fundamentally broad certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Or so they generally thought. Smooth Love Elixir financial backers need to explicitly hang tight for any directional change over the very everyday outline, which truly shows that Bitcoin shares 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33%, which generally is genuinely huge, while SLP's Williams %R marker sort of is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange really signal for the most part is somewhat conceivable at this reach in an exceptionally enormous manner. As per the regular turn, the urgent quick opposition for SLP may sort of be fundamentally found at $0.003, generally followed by $0.004. So support sort of is a level at which purchasers sort of become certainly additional dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any genuinely further in an especially significant manner. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrency's help levels sort of were situated at $0.003 and afterwards $0.003. Pretty further appearance how market investigation over the in every